CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I'm seeing what's working for me and what's not. Especially here, bro, my callouts on CRCL have been so on point, it's even crazy. Here's where it all began when it was 74 something bucks. I'm not even trying to play smart here. That's like literally what happened. Look at this. 76 aiming to 104, just 12 days back. Since then, 74, now we're like 195, you know what I mean? And even my most recent prediction was so on point.
CRCL.
Boom. And yeah, man, like, especially with this thing, like, and this was made like yesterday, just 20 hours ago, sitting at 152, especially like exactly 152. Post market was, I guess, you know, 151 at this point, but yeah, it was so good, you know, I quite like it. This is where we're sitting at. Oh my bad, like, I don't know if you, why you can't see this drawing, man, what the hell? I guess it's not showing. Well, it is what it is, but if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.